which the book is based on. Almost 3 decades after the tragedy at Chow Kit that shook the nation, Adam has finally come forward to reveal the truth about the bloody incident 29 years ago. Told exclusively to Syahril A. Kadir, this is the confession of a man burdened with regrets and desperate for redemption. It's the account that sets to rectify a lie believed by a nation for so long, and maybe a way to finally have absolution for himself and for all Malaysians. Name, Adam bin Jafar. He was born on the 22nd of July 1964 in Penang General Hospital. He is the oldest of 8 siblings. If he had to pick one thing out of his life back then that was considered lacking, it was the fact that they had to move from one place to another constantly. His friends and teachers knew him for his rebellious streak and his tendency to challenge authority. He rejects rules and any form of discipline. He loves the idea of being in the army. Ironically, when he graduated from high school, he applied to be in the Territorial Army Regiment and got accepted without the knowledge of anyone, including his family. His dream had finally turned into reality on June 2, 1987. He officially became Private Adam bin Jafar. The answer to Adam's rampage lies in his traumatic childhood and abuse he later suffered in the army camp, which drove him over the edge. Being accepted into the army brought the promise of a better future for the depressed young man. Adam was desperate for a life of dignity, but his joy over being in the army was short-lived. His bad performance during the practice in the shooting range was due to his abuse in the camp. He was so restless. He could not stand it anymore and felt everything was too much. His headache became severe and memories of the fire that took his sister's life came filling his vision. On October 17, 1987, Adam Jafar, a 23-year-old soldier with the rank of private, stole an M16 rifle and a motorcycle from his army camp in Ipoh. The Army Ranger Regiment sharpshooter traveled to Kuala Lumpur at a time when political tension was high. The next night, he wrote a message on his hotel room mirror, "A damned night for Adam. Mission, to kill or be killed." A soldier insists that he is not seeking public sympathy by telling his life story. What he hopes is to dispel the urban legend, clear the names of those unfairly implicated, and apologize to the kin and family of the late Che Mahmood, the young man he accidentally killed during his rampage.